My video guide will provide you with instructions that will help you to remove the browser hijacker that is called To Go Web. To Go Web is a special extension designed specifically for the Google Chrome browser. To Go Web extension is currently promoted through fake browser update alerts. For instance, you may see this strange message mentioning that some sort of Flash SD app is required to proceed. This information displayed by such pop-ups is absolutely faulty and misleading because, as I said, this is a fake Google Chrome update notification. Regretfully, some people might mistakenly add this extension to the Google Chrome browser. To Go Web extension functions as a browser hijacker. It actually changes a lot of crucial browser settings without your permission. So, if you have noticed that this extension was added to your Google Chrome, and if you noticed that your search queries are being redirected through some other fake search engines not chosen by you, you should act immediately. I'll demonstrate to you how it happens. So you might submit some search queries expecting to get the results by Google, but this is what you see. You see some strange togosearching.com redirection taking place. And then the results may be delivered by some other fake search engine not chosen by you initially. This is why you need to remove this extension, this unwanted extension, to go searching as soon as possible. Sorry, To Go Web is the name of the extension. You might also see some filthy ads in your browser. I have hidden this filthy content from your eyes. But still, some of these ads could mean that your system is messed up by adware. First of all, let us remove that extension. Access the menu, go to More Tools, choose Extensions in your Google Chrome. When you find this extension called To Go Web, disable the extension and remove the extension. To remove any other hidden malware or pop-ups or adware from your system, I recommend researching the device with Combo Cleaner antivirus. You may get it on the official website combocleaner.com. Using this green download button, install the program and start researching your device with its help. Combo Cleaner will help you to detect and delete all other threats from the system. After you have successfully downloaded and installed Combo Cleaner antivirus, it will be in the trial mode, so only the quick scan option is available. Click on Start Scan button. The program will first of all update its antivirus database for proper malware detection and elimination. You will notice that most likely the program will start identifying certain threats on your computer. While the scanning is taking place, you may experiment with some of the settings of Combo Cleaner antivirus. For instance, there is a special feature called anti-ransomware, which is the part of the premium license. Anti-ransomware feature of Combo Cleaner helps you to add one or several folders on your system that will be protected against all sorts of ransomware attacks. Then, after the scanning has been completed, you'll see the detailed summary of threats that were found during the scanning. The summary will show you the name of the threat and its exact location on your computer. You'll be able to remove each threat manually by going to these locations, or you may consider upgrading to the premium license to remove these threats automatically.